Last time I cleaned up these black iron pots. Now I'm gonna wash them out and show y'all how to re-season them. Start getting it hot. Today I'm only going to just season it with some vegetable shortening. Same stuff I made them emergency candles with. Make sure we season that up real good with some Crisco shortening. Make sure we get the bottom and the sides. Be careful, it get hot. Make sure it coat the whole pot. I'm gonna heat this oven up right here. And I'm gonna stick it in there for about an hour or two. Let's see, at 450 degrees, and let it bake. That little pot fits perfect in this little toaster oven. All right, it's been sitting there an hour, and I'm gonna pull this out the oven and put a little more coating on there. Call that pot done. So it's hot. Coat it real good one more time. Alright, the rod, the handle, I straightened it out and I'm going to recurve this and put it back on the pot because it was a little wonky. Get something to put up against my stomach because I don't want this, it's hot. Turn it around the pot like so. Trying to do this while it's still hot, it's kind of tricky. Here we go. Work that out a little bit. And dry it off a little bit. And there you go, folks. Please like and subscribe if you like the content. If you'd like to see anything else, just let me know in the comments. Thank you and have a blessed day.